Logan with Grandma's Guns. Today we're going over the Remington 1100 12 gauge. This gun is very nice. It was built in 1966. I used it a lot for different hunting and sporting clays, a ton of different stuff. And it still looks great. The stock is in great condition. The scroll work looks great. Feels real good when you throw it up. Just well balanced and everything. I mean, it's good gun. It is blowback, gas blowback. So, and there is a ring in here, just like the 1187. And the 1187 is just a newer, a little bit more updated version of the whole design, which I did another video on. You can check out if you'd like to see that one. But anyway, this one also has a gas ring in there that, again, just like the 1187, you need to make sure it's good to go. This gun only accepts 2 3/4 inch shells, which is quite a problem for some people. I mean, a lot of people. Depends what you're shooting. I mean, if you're shooting like waterfowl, most of the shells are in 3 inch, from what I find. So I would have had to kind of look a little harder to find 2 3/4 inch shells for waterfowl hunting. But nonetheless, I still killed a lot of different stuff with this. And it's been a great gun. I can't even remember if I've ever had a malfunction with it. As long as you keep them clean and clean them on a regular basis, and keep that gas ring. That gas ring is huge. Make sure that gas ring's intact. I actually have several on hand, and I try to make sure if I'm going on a hunting trip or somewhere that I have, one of them with me so I can replace it if something happens to it. Because if that gets damaged, it's not going to function from what I understand, but I've never had a problem with it because I always keep an eye on them and try to make sure not to damage them when I'm cleaning the gun and taking it apart. And it is easy to take apart. It is not difficult. It's not hard, but I'm not going to do it here for you. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube with it. And it's got the same manual as arms as the 1187 and a lot of other Remington rifles, with the rifles and shotguns with the, I guess you call it a crossbar safety. Anyway, it's a great gun. Not too much else I need to say about it. It's held up. I mean, I've put it through its paces, weather, snow, rain, and it still looks pretty good. I mean, it's got some dinks and dents in the wood, a little bit of scratches. The finish is still pretty strong on the metal. A little bit of wear up on the barrel from taking it in and out of cases, but all in all, old school Remington 1100, highly recommend. This or the 1187 are my favorite, just because I've gotten so used to the manual of arms, and I've been shooting them for so long that it's just natural for take the safety off, pull the trigger, reload, all of that. It's all like second nature. So it's a great gun. Highly recommend. Go out and get one.